This 2022 Keystone Montana 3121RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Adamsburg, Pennsylvania, 15611 and is offered for sale by RV Leaders and Camping Outlet. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, auxiliary battery, awning, LP detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, TV, leveling jacks, skylight, air conditioning, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features Kitchen Island. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Montana 3121RL is 12,273 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.